Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to my English class. Children, today we are going to learn poem. The name of the poem is A Journey Through Space. And please open page number E1 from your English literature book number 3. It is very good poem and you will get a lots of information in this poem, right? So, this poem is written by a poet. The name of the poet is Hamza Hafiz. Students, the solar system is made up of the sun and all of the smaller objects that move around it. Apart from the sun, the largest members of the solar system are the 8 major planets. You already know it. Dear students, you all feel that there should be a home on the moon, must go for a walk on the moon. Have you ever thought? So, through this poem, we travel to space and enjoy this journey with the poet Hamza Hafiz. So, let's go. Children, in this poem, actually he is discussing his dream. He wants to land over the moon. He wants to say that it would be great fun if I would land over the moon, if I would walk there, if I would play over there. So, without wasting our time, I think we should start. Oh, what fun it would be to journey through space, to land on the moon and walk on its face. Students, in the first paragraph, he is talking about his dream, that it would be great fun if I would land over the moon, if I would play there, and if I would walk over there, it would be great fun for me, right? Now, we will move towards our second paragraph. Second paragraph, to journey through space, to Venus or Mars, to reach Jupiter or maybe new stars. In the second paragraph, he also wants to say that during his journey time, I also wants to land over the Venus, Mars and Jupiter and maybe the new stars also. Venus, students, you know about the Venus? Dear students, Venus is the most brightened planet on the Sun family. And Mars is also called a red planet because it is made up of a red soil. So that's why Mars is also called a red planet. And Jupiter is also the most biggest planet in the Sun family. Students, in this second paragraph, the poet wants to say that if I would land over the moon, with that journey, I also want to land over the Venus, Mars and Jupiter and maybe the new stars also. Third paragraph, to journey through space, to planets unknown, to settle on them and make them our own. In the third paragraph, he wants to say that during his journey time, he wants to settle over the unknown planets and he wants to make that planets our own planet. Now, fourth paragraph. Last paragraph, a journey through space, I would welcome with joy. Whatever I see, I would fully enjoy. In the last paragraph, Hamza Hafiz wants to say that whatever I see during my space journey and whatever I do there, I want to enjoy that moments. I want to feel that moments. I really want to enjoy that moments. So, that all about our poem. Take care. Thank you.